In this lesson, we'll import the credits to the bottom of the movie poster, rearrange the title, and then fix the red paint that's attached to the top of the L in the title. Let's open up the folder and get the credits.png and drag it into the design. Get the Move tool and drag it to the bottom. Let's put the credits underneath the Pearl title. When we move the credits to the bottom of the poster and centered it, it makes the word Pearl look a little off. So we could play around with that. Click on the Pearl layer, that's this one right here. Command T to transform. Click on the Command button to move the letters to look more pleasing to the eye with the credits. Let's press return. We can take the credits and bring them up a little bit higher, and that looks better. When I did this, the red paint is not connecting with the top of the L anymore. So click on the red paint, get an eraser, and you can erase some of the paint and then paint it so it connects with the top of the L. Double click on the hand tool to view the poster. The poster is now complete.